Good morning, my dear students. Last class we have been discussing the introduction part for the exercise 4.1. So today I am going to start the exercise 4.1. And in that the first question is evaluate the determinant whose order is 2 cross 2. So as you know that the procedure to find the determinant of 2 cross 2, 2 into minus 1 minus 2. And over get the minus 5 into 4 minus 20 minus into minus plus 20, which is equals to 20 minus 2 is equals to 8. And now the second question is first question. Again find the determinant value for the given question. So here this is the determinant of order 2 cross 2. Again say cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, minus sin theta into minus sin theta minus sin square theta minus into minus plus. So sin square theta, which is equals to, so this is the basic identity of the trigonometric ratio. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. And now the second question. Here also we need to find the determinant value. So this determinant is also of order 2 cross 2. So again you know x square minus x plus 1 into x plus 1 minus x plus 1 into x minus 1, which is equals to x square into x cube, x square into plus 1 plus x square minus x into x minus x square minus x into plus 1 minus x plus 1 into x plus x plus 1 into plus 1 plus 1 minus x plus 1 into x minus 1, x square minus 1, the formula for a plus b into a minus b formula, which is equals to minus x plus x get cancelled, plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Here we will x cube plus 1 minus x square minus into minus plus 1. So which is equals to x cube minus x square plus 1 is equal to plus 2. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. So now the third question. Here he has given that the matrix A and we need to show the determinant of 2A is equals to 4 into determinant of A. So to find the determinant of 2A, first we need to find the matrix 2A. So therefore 2A is equals to 2 into matrix A, that is 1, 2, 4, which is equals to 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 2, 4. Now determinant of 2A is equals to determinant of 2, 4, 8, 4. So determinant of 2A value is equal to 2 into 4, 8 minus 8 into 4, 32. Therefore, determinant of 2A is equal to 8 minus 32 is minus 24 and call it as equation number 1. Now, we need to find the value of 4 into determinant of A. So first, find the value of determinant of A, which is equals to determinant of 1 to 4, 1 to 4, which is equals to 1 into 2, 2, minus 4 into 2, 8. So therefore, determinant of A is equals to 2 minus 8 is minus 6. 4 into determinant of A. So now 4 into determinant of A is equals to 4 into the value of determinant of A is minus 6. Therefore, 4 into determinant of A is equals to 4 into minus 6 minus 24 and call it as equation number 2. So from the equation number 1 and 2, we may say the determinant of 2A is equals to 4 into determinant of A. So from equation 1 and equation 2, so determinant of 2A 2a is equals to 4 into determinant of. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. So now the fourth question. Here he has given that the matrix A and we need to show that determinant of 3a is equals to 27 into determinant of A. So for that, first we need to find the matrix 3a. So therefore 3a is equals to 3 into matrix A. 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4, which is equals to 3 into 1 3 into 0 0 3 1s are 3 0 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 6 0 0 3 4s are 1. Now determinant of 3a is equals to determinant of 3 0 3 0 3 6 0 0 and 1. So determinant of 3a is equals to minimum discuss first row element is the sign which are associated to these elements are plus, minus and plus. Now plus 3 into determinant of 3 is present in first row, first column. So after deleting this first row, first column, the remaining elements are 3 6 0 1 3 6 0 1 minus 0 into 0 present in first row, second column. So after deleting this first row, second column, remaining elements are 0 6 0 1 0 6 0 1 plus 3. So 3 is present in first row, third column. After deleting this first row, third column, remaining elements are 0 3 0 0 0 3 0 0. So the determinant of 3a is equals to 3 into 12 36 minus 0 into 6 is 0 minus, so 0 into anything total is 0 plus 3 into 0 into 0 0 minus 0 into 3 0, so 0 minus 0 is 0. So therefore the value of determinant of 3a is equals to 36 into 3. So 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 1 are 8. So it is 0 and it is 0. And call it as equation number 1. Next we need to find the value of 27 into determinant of it. So for that first we find the value of determinant of it. So determinant of 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 and next 0 0 4, which is equals to 1 into 1 is present in first row, first column. After deleting this first row, first column, 1 to 0 4. Determinant of 1 to 0 4 is 1 into 4 4 minus 0 into 2 0. Next integer to the sign associated minus. So plus minus plus. So minus into 0 is 0. So if 0 again multiplied by 0, so no need to write the determinant. Plus 1 into 1 is present in first row, third column. After deleting this first row, third column, 0 1 0 0. So determinant of 0 1 0 0 equals 0 into 0 0 minus 0 into 1 0 0 minus 0 value 0. So therefore determinant of A is equals to 4 minus 0 is 4. So 1 into 4 is 4 into 0 is 0. Now we need to find the value of 27 into determinant of it. So 27 into determinant of E is equals to 27 into 4. which is equals to 4 7s are 28, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. Therefore 27 into determinant of A is equals to 100 and call it as equation number 2. So from the equation number 192 we may write determinant of 3A is equals to 27 into determinant of A. Therefore from equation number 1 and equation number 2, determinant of 3A is equals to 27 into determinant of B. I hope all of you understood. Now you just observe here. Third question for A matrix is product, one of the matrix of order 2 cross 2 is. Now we have determinant of 2A is equals to 4 into determinant of A matrix. So this determinant of 2A can be written as 2 square into determinant of A over, where this 2 is order of the matrix A. And similarly, here also determinant of 3A is equals to 27 into determinant of A. 27 can be written as 3 cube into determinant of A. Here the order of the matrix A is 3 cross 3. Hence, determinant of 3A is equals to 3 cube into determinant of A. So, in general, we may take this as a note. In general, if A is a matrix of order n, means n cross n, then determinant of K is equals to 3A is 3 cube, where this 3 is the order of the matrix A into determinant of A. Again, what is K into A? So determinant of K is equals to K power order of the matrix. Order of the matrix what is n. K power n into determinant of where n is order of matrix E, and this is one of the important forms. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take them. So now the question number 5. In that the first question, evaluate the determinant, which is equals to 103. So the sign associated to the first row elements are plus, minus, and plus. 3 into determinant of 3 is present in first row, first column. So after deleting this first row, first column, remaining elements are 0, minus 1, minus 5, 0. So 0, minus 1, minus 5, 0. Minus into minus, plus 1 into. This minus are present in first row, second column. So after deleting this first row, second column, remaining elements are 0, minus 1, 3, 0. 0, minus 1, 3, 0. Plus into minus, minus 2. So minus 2 present in first row, third column. After deleting this first row, third column, remaining elements are 0, 0, 3, minus 5. 0, 0, 3, minus 5. So which is equals to 3 into 0 into 0, 0, minus 5 into minus 1, plus 5. So plus into minus, minus 5. Plus 1 into 0 into 0, 0, minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Minus into minus, plus 1. Minus 2 into 0 into minus 5, 0. Minus 3 into 0, 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Which is equals to 3 into 0 minus 5 is minus 5. Plus 1 into 0 plus 3 is 3. 2 into 0 is 0. Which is equals to 3 into minus 5 to minus 15. Plus 1 into 3, 3. Which is equals to minus 15 plus 3 is minus 1. And the second in fifth question, evaluate this determinant. So again the sign which are associated to the first two elements are plus, minus, plus. 3 into present in first row, first column. So after deleting this first row, first column, remaining elements are 1 minus 2, 3, 1. 1 minus 2, 3, 1. And then minus into minus plus 4. So this minus 4 present in first row, second column. After deleting this first row, second column, remaining elements are 1 minus 2, 2, 1. 1 minus 2, 2, 1. And then plus 5. So 5 present in first row, third column. After deleting this first row, third column, remaining elements are 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Which is equals to 3 into 1 into 1, 1 minus 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Minus into minus plus 6. Plus 4 into 1 into 1, 1 minus 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4. And plus 5 into 1 into 3, 3. Minus 2 into 1, 2. Which is equal to 3 into 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 4 into 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 5 into 3 minus 2 is 1. Which is equal to 3 7s are 21. 4 5s are 20. Plus 5 1s are 5. Which is equal to 21 plus 20, 41, 41 plus 5, 46. I hope all of you understood. And take this question number 3rd and 4th in the question number 5 as an assignment. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a look. Now the question number 6. Here we have given that the matrix A and we need to find the determinant of the matrix A. So direct mark ನೋಡಿ either propose ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ perfect ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. So determinant of A is equal to 1 1 minus 2 2 1 minus 3 5 4 minus 9. So determinant of A is equal to the sign which are associated with first row elements plus minus plus. So 1 into after deleting this first row, first column element 1 minus 3 4 minus 9. So 1 into minus 9 minus 9 minus 4 into minus 3 minus 12 minus into minus plus 12 minus 1. This 1 present in first row, second column. After deleting this first row, second column, remaining elements are 2 minus 3 5 minus 9. 2 into minus 9 minus 18 minus 5 into minus 3 minus 15 minus into minus plus 15 plus into minus minus 2 into this minus 2 present in first row, third column. After deleting this first row, third column, remaining elements are 2 1 5 4. So 2 into 4 8 minus 5 into 1 5. Which is equals to 1 into 12 minus 9 is 3 minus 1 into minus 18 plus 15 is minus 3 minus 2 into 8 minus 5 is 3. So which is equals to 3 into 1 3 minus into minus plus 3 into 1 3. So minus 2 into 3 is 6, which is equals to 3 plus 3 6. 6 minus 6. Therefore, the determinant of A is equal to 6. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a look. So now the question number 7. In that the first question is here he has given that these two determinants are equal. Then we need to find the value of x. So the determinant value of the first one 2 into 1 2 minus 5 into 4 20 is equal to 2x into x 2x square minus 6 into 4 20. So 2 into minus 20 is minus 18, which is equal to 2x square minus 24. The minus 24 is at over 2x square is equal to 24 minus 18. So therefore 2x square is equal to 24 minus 18 is 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Therefore the value of x square is equal to 3. Hence the value of x is equal to plus minus root 3. And now the second question is seventh one. These two determinants are equal. Then we need to find the value of x. So 2 into 5, 10, minus 4 into 3, 12 is equal to x into 5, 5x, minus 2x into 3, 6x. So 10 minus 12 is equal to minus 2, which is equal to 5x minus 6x is minus x. So minus minus get cancelled, the value of x is equal to 2. So 8th question is also similar to 7th one. Here also these two determinants are equal, then we need to find out the value of x. So the determinant value of the first one, x into x square, minus 18 into 2, 36, is equal to 6 into 6, 36, minus 18 into 2, 36. So therefore x square minus 36 is equal to 36 minus 36 is 0.